Hello and happy 4th of July, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all another great cobbler recipe. I've done a lot of cobbler recipes here on my channel, and I'll post a link to my cobbler recipes playlist down below in the description box. For this cobbler, I'm going to share with all of y'all summer berry cobbler. We're going to use two types of berries, strawberries and blueberries. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious. And it's fresh berry season. We're going to use fresh berries for this recipe. This cobbler would be great to take for your 4th of July cookout or any barbecue cookout, crawfish boil, and more. And it screams summer. And everybody will love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my previous video, cherry cream cheese pie. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your flour, and your fresh berry sugar, because we're about to bake some berry cobbler magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is melt the butter. I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, and I place it into my 9 by 13 inch pan. We're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to let it melt all the way. And my oven's at 350 degrees. And while our butter's melting, let's go ahead and make our berry filling. In my medium bowl, I have a pint of fresh strawberries that I sliced and a pint of fresh blueberries. And I rinse them. And into our berries, we're going to add a half a cup of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Going to create a glaze. Love the smell of fresh berries. Alright, so now we're going to set the berries aside. Now it's time to make the best part of the cobbler, the crust. And this is the simple and easiest crust to make, my friends. You can do this in your sleep. In my large bowl, I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And we're going to whisk all the dry ingredients together until they're well incorporated. So that way we won't get any lumps. Alrighty, now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract, and 1½ cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. I'm going to add half of it. And whisk that in. Now it's time to add in the last half. And whisk this in until everything is well combined. I can smell both the extracts. Alrighty, my friends, our batter is complete. How simple and easy was that? So now my butter is melted. I took it out of the oven. We're ready to build the cobbler. So now we're going to start with the batter. And last but not least, the berries. Just going to spoon those in. It's going to be so good. And this is the important step right here when making this cobbler. Please do not stir. Because when it rises in the oven, it will cover the berries. Otherwise, if you stir in the berries and the butter, it's just going to be laying there. And the juice. Now we're ready to put this cobbler in the oven. We're going to put it in the same temperature that we melt the butter in, 350 degrees. And we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes. Your kitchen's going to smell incredible. Alrighty, I'll bring you back. My friends, look at here at this cobbler. The crust is golden brown and look at the berries just oozing out of there. And it smells heavenly. And there you have it, summer berry cobbler. Doesn't that look good and pretty? So now we're gonna let the cobbler cool, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I'll fix me up a plate, and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and I garnish it with a strawberry and blueberries. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The crust is buttery and tender, and the berries are juicy and flavorful. Oh, ain't nothing like a fresh cobbler. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm gonna grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Berry cobbler-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy 4th of July.